Hello. Today I'm going to talk to you about flats and sharps. So, before we get into that, on the keyboard, when you go up to the right, this is considered going up because the notes go up higher. Okay, so to the right means up, and to the left is going down. Okay, so this symbol that looks like a hashtag is called a sharp sign, and it means you go a half step to the right. Okay, and you can remember that because this symbol is sharp and pointy looking, and if you were to sit on it, it would hurt and you would jump up. And in music, on the piano, up, the notes go up when you go to the right. Okay, this sign, it looks like a lowercase b, and that's called the flat sign. If you want to make something flat, you push it down flat. And on the piano, down is to the left. When you see a flat sign in front of a note, it means you play the note that is a half step to the left. So, for example, this is C. The black key that's a half step to the right is C sharp. This is D. The black key that's a half step to the right is D sharp. This is F. The black key that's a half step to the right, which is right here, is F sharp. This is G. The black key that's a half step to the right is G sharp. This is A. So this black key is A sharp because I'm going to the right. Sharp means you go to the right. Now, I skipped this one. This is E. E sharp is actually the same as F. B sharp is actually the same as C. Remember, sharp means to go a half step to the right. So we're talking about these black keys. Unless you're talking E sharp, which is F, and B sharp, which is C. But it's very rare to have an E sharp or a B sharp, but it does happen. Now all these black keys have another name. They have their sharp name, which I just talked to you about, but they also have a flat name. Remember, flat means you go to the left. So this is B. This is B flat. This note is A. So this black key to the left is A flat. This is G. So this black key to the left is G flat. This is E. So the black key to the left is E flat. This is D. So the black key to the left is D flat. Now, F flat, here's F. F flat is the same as E, regular old E. C flat is the same as regular old B, because a half step to the left of C is B. A half step to the left of F is E. So you don't often have F flat or C flat, and you don't often have B sharp or E sharp. Okay, so all these black keys have two names. So this black key, this is A and this is B. So it could be called A sharp or it could be called B flat. Let's look at this one. this is F, this is G. This black key, its two names are F sharp or G flat. So these keys have more than one name, their flat name or their sharp name. And so if I said to you, find D sharp, well, first you would find D, which is right here. And the sharp means I go a half step to the right. So that's D sharp. If I said find G flat, first you would find G, and since I said flat, you go to the left. So this note is G flat. If I said find A sharp, first you would find A, and then you would go to the right to this black key for A sharp. Now before I let you go and we go over to check out the computer link for this week, just to review, to the left of the two black keys right here is C. To the left of the three black keys is F. Remember, fry is a three-letter word, so F is right here to the left of three black keys, F. And this is C for curly, curly fries. You have to know what these two keys are to the left of the two black keys and to the left of the three black keys, C and F. Then you can go cute, dirty elephants, C, D, E. And with the F, you can say furry gorillas ate bananas, F, G, A, B. So that's important to remember. And just to review what we talked about today, this is the sharp sign. It means you go a half step to the right, which typically means the black key to the right. The flat sign is the lowercase b, and that means you go to the black key to the left, or what we would call a half step to the left. So, your assignment, you're going to, let me get on here real quick. All right, so you're going to click this link that was sent to you. And it should come up like this with 3 rows of answers for you. But if it doesn't come up with 3 rows of buttons here for you to choose from, you need to click the gear. When it says notes, you need to check all of these. All these should be blue checked. Okay? So if it's not like that, make sure you click on the gear and do that. So you are naming the key that is red. Now, notice you can pick either the sharp name or the flat name. So this is F, this white key is F, this white key is G. So it could be F sharp or it could be G flat. Either one of those would be correct. So I'm going to say F sharp. And that was correct. They're going to throw in some white keys too. Okay, so it won't all be sharps and flats. That's a G. Okay, so we have a group of 2 black keys. There's the C, so cute, dirty. D is between 2 black keys, so that's a D for dirty. And here we have a group of 3 black keys. And we're going to use that to help us figure out what this is, since it's on the end of the keyboard here, and we can't see what's going on over here. So F, G, A, B for furry gorillas ate bananas. So what comes after B in the alphabet? C does. So this is a C. So that one's a little tricky. Maybe you'll get that one wrong. It's okay. All right, here's an F because it's to the left of the 3 black keys. Okay, here we have another black note. Before we said we named it by naming it the sharp's name for it. This time I'm going to name it using the flat name. Okay, but it doesn't matter. So you look to the note to the left and to the right. Okay, so this is A and this is B. So this is A sharp, because sharp means to go to the right. A sharp. Or here's B, it would be B flat. So again, I'm going to go through that again. This is in a group of 3 black keys. This is F. Remember, fry is a 3-letter word. There's 3 black keys to help you remember that. This is F. So furry, gorillas, 8, A, bananas, B. So this is A, and this is B. A sharp, sharp means to go to the right, so A sharp would be this black key. Flat means to go to the left, so B flat is the other name. So I'm going to click on B flat, which is down here. B with the lowercase b is B flat. Okay, so the hashtag ones, that's sharp, those are sharp symbols. So C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp. Down here we have the flat names, C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, and so on. So this is where you're going to click your answers. Okay, let's do another one. This is C, so this would be C sharp. Its other name is D flat. Okay, so just do the best that you can with this, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.